It is one of the most prestigious events in golf and fosters intense competition and national pride. Tiger Woods, inside his approach to training and fitness. Tiger Woods is undoubtedly one of the greatest golfers of all time. With numerous major championships under his belt and an incredible career spanning over 2 decades, Woods' success on the golf course is undeniable. But what sets him apart from other golfers? One crucial aspect of Woods' game that often goes overlooked is his approach to training and fitness. Woods' training regimen is a key factor in his success. From a young age, he recognized the importance of physical fitness in golf, a sport that requires both skill and athleticism. Woods has been known to spend hours at the gym, honing his strength, flexibility, and endurance. Strength training plays a vital role in Woods' training routine. He focuses on exercises that target and strengthen his core, legs, and upper body, which are crucial for generating power and balance in his swing. Woods incorporates weightlifting, resistance training, and plyometric exercises to build explosive speed and strength. Flexibility is another area in which Woods excels. In golf, a player's ability to maintain a full range of motion is essential for producing a fluid and powerful swing. Woods practices various stretching exercises, including yoga and Pilates, to enhance his flexibility. These exercises not only improve his swing mechanics, but also help prevent injuries, a common concern for athletes. Endurance training is a crucial component of Woods' fitness routine. Golf is a mentally and physically demanding sport that requires players to perform at a high level for 4 consecutive days during tournaments. Woods engages in cardiovascular exercises, such as running and cycling, to build stamina and maintain his focus throughout a round of golf. Woods' dedication to his training extends beyond the gym. He pays equal attention to his nutrition, recognizing that a healthy diet is essential for optimal performance on the golf course. Woods consumes a balanced diet that includes lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. He avoids sugary and processed foods, emphasizing the importance of fueling his body with nutrient-dense foods. Rest and recovery are also integral parts of Woods' training routine. He understands the value of allowing his body to recuperate after intense workouts or tournaments. Woods prioritizes quality sleep and incorporates rest days into his schedule to prevent overtraining and reduce the risk of injuries. In addition to his physical training, Woods places a significant emphasis on mental fitness. Golf is a highly mental game, and a player's state of mind can greatly impact their performance. Woods practices mindfulness, meditation, and visualization techniques to stay focused and manage pressure during tournaments. These practices help him maintain a calm and clear mindset, enabling him to make strategic decisions on the golf course. Woods' approach to training and fitness has not only helped him achieve unparalleled success in the world of golf, but also inspired many other athletes to prioritize their physical and mental well-being. His dedication, discipline, and unrelenting pursuit of excellence serve as an inspiration to aspiring golfers and athletes across the globe. To conclude, Tiger Woods' approach to training and fitness is a testament to his unwavering commitment to his sport. Through his rigorous training regimen, he has transformed himself into a physical and mental powerhouse on the golf course. His dedication to strength, flexibility, endurance, nutrition, rest, and mental fitness has elevated him to the pinnacle of his sport, making him a true icon in the world of golf.